In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view cart on Squarespace. Navigating the digital space can be daunting, especially when you're trying to optimize your website on platforms like Squarespace. Today we're diving into a simple yet essential feature viewing your cart on Squarespace. This functionality is crucial for e-commerce websites looking to provide a seamless shopping experience for their customers. Let's get started with the basics. First, you need to ensure you're logged into your Squarespace account. Once you're in, navigate your way to the editing interface of your site. This is where the magic begins. The first step in this process is to go to the edit section of your website. This can usually be found on the main dashboard of your site or by visiting the direct link to your site configuration. In the edit section, you're presented with a range of options to customize your site's appearance and functionality. After entering the edit mode, your next move is to click on Edit Header. This is where you control what appears at the top of your website, including navigation links, your site logo, and importantly for us, the cart icon. Once you're editing the header, look for an option titled Edit Design. This allows you to modify the design elements of your header more deeply, including how your cart is displayed. It's all about making sure your cart icon is both visible and aesthetically pleasing. Following that, you should see an edit icon within the cart section of the design interface. This icon is your gateway to customizing how your cart looks and functions on your site. Click on this icon to proceed. This brings us to a crucial step, turning on the Show in Cart option. This might seem straightforward, but it's a critical step for ensuring that your customers can always see their cart and access their selected items quickly. Activating this feature will display the cart icon across your site, making it easy for customers to review their potential purchases. The last step in this process is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen or near the settings you've just adjusted. Clicking this button will apply all the changes you've made, making the cart visible on your Squarespace site. Now let's dive a bit deeper into some tips to enhance this process. Firstly, when you're editing your site's header to include the cart, think about its placement. You'll want it easily visible and accessible, typically at the top right corner, as this is where users intuitively expect it to be. Secondly, while enabling the Show in Cart function, consider the design of the cart icon itself. Squarespace offers a variety of design options to match the cart icon with your site's aesthetic. Choose a design that stands out yet complements your overall site design. Lastly, after saving your changes, always preview your site. This gives you a customer's perspective, ensuring that the cart is not only visible but also functional. Walk through your site, add a product to the cart, and check if the cart updates and displays as expected. This step is critical in identifying any potential issues that could affect the user experience. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to viewing your cart on Squarespace, designed to optimize your e-commerce site for a smooth and user-friendly shopping experience. Remember, the goal is to make the shopping process as effortless as possible for your customers. By ensuring that the cart is visible and accessible, you encourage more purchases and ultimately a successful online business. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more helpful guides on making the most of your Squarespace site. Remember, with the right tools and knowledge, you can create a digital space that truly stands out.